Welcome to Bike Plus, the channel where motorcycle passion meets detailed insights. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 BMW F 450 GS, a compact yet capable adventure bike designed for riders who demand agility, reliability, and the confidence to tackle both city streets and off-road trails. BMW has crafted this mid-capacity GS to deliver the essence of their adventure heritage in a lighter, more approachable form. Engine and performance, compact power, big capability. The 2025 BMW F 450 GS is powered by a 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine tuned for responsive torque and smooth power delivery. This setup is perfect for navigating urban traffic while still having the muscle to handle winding mountain passes and rugged backroads. With precise fuel mapping, the bike delivers excellent throttle control and fuel efficiency, making it a reliable companion for both daily commutes and long adventures. Design and ergonomics, adventure DNA in a smaller frame. BMW's design philosophy for the F 450 GS blends the iconic GS styling cues with a more compact and lightweight frame. The tall windscreen, sharp beak-style front fender, and dual-tone bodywork immediately identify it as part of the GS family. Its ergonomics are built for comfort over long distances, with an upright riding position, a narrow seat profile, and handlebars positioned for both seated and standing riding. Ideal for off-road control. Off-road ready, built to explore. Despite its smaller displacement, the F 450 GS is no stranger to challenging terrain. Long travel suspension, a high ground clearance, and lightweight chassis design make it nimble and stable on dirt, gravel, and rocky trails. Spoked wheels with a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear setup, paired with dual-purpose tires, provide the grip and control necessary for off-road exploration. Its balanced weight distribution allows easy maneuvering even for less experienced riders. Technology and features, smart adventure. The 2025 model is equipped with a modern TFT display offering Bluetooth connectivity, ride data, and navigation integration. Multiple riding modes adapt power delivery and traction control to match road or trail conditions. Switchable ABS ensures safety on pavement while allowing more freedom off-road. LED lighting all around ensures clear visibility day or night, and optional accessories like heated grips and luggage racks enhance touring potential. Conclusion: the perfect entry into GS adventure. The 2025 BMW F 450 GS is designed for riders who want the spirit of the GS range without the size or weight of its bigger siblings. It's light, agile, and versatile, making it perfect for adventure beginners or experienced riders seeking a nimble travel companion. With the F 450 GS, BMW proves that big adventures can come in smaller packages.